how to make your October outstanding. First of all, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. I'm going to give you my acronym for October. Optimism creates transformative opportunities, breakthroughs, enthusiasm, and results. So I'm making my October outstanding because I no longer fight for my limiting beliefs, but rather commit to and focus on my limitless success, according to Ephesians 3:20. The sky can't be the limit because there's already footprints on the moon. So I'll stand outside the box that others have created for me while focusing on the potential that you have intended for me, according to Jeremiah 29:11. Because I now realize that my only reason to identify my limitations is to know what I need to break through. The difficult I do now, the impossible may take a while, but it can and will be done. I will until. Making my October outstanding because I'm initiating or at least participating in my own rescue. God already put inside of me the help I need, as he did with Adam. Thus, I will flow with the process even when painful, that will empower me to bring it out. Job 6:13. I'm making my October outstanding because I'm committed to doing what I haven't done so I can experience what I haven't experienced. I will even do the things, quote unquote, I cannot do so I can learn how to do them. That's what Picasso said. And so I learned by doing, by trial and error, with course corrections. They say an airplane's off course up to 90% of the time. I'm making my October outstanding because I will no longer allow others or even my own negative opinion about my past, my life, my business, etc. to become my reality. But rather, I only allow God's opinion to become my reality. He calls me an overcomer, so I'll overcome or break through whatever comes against me. 1 John 5:4. Those who count me out can't or don't count. So what they say is no longer of any account to me. 1 Timothy 1:12. And when I lack belief in me, I believe in God's belief in me. Psalm 56:9. I'm making my October outstanding because I'm surrounding myself with those who bring out the best and success out of me instead of those who bring out the stress and sin in me. Proverbs 13:20 and Jeremiah 5:5. I'm making my October outstanding because I'm powerful, I'm favored, and I'm brilliant. I can do all things through Christ, according to Philippians 4:13, because I am a masterpiece, because I'm a piece, a product, and the priority of the master himself. I'm making my October outstanding because I'm preparing myself knowing that my time will come. So I say what I want, not what I see, knowing that one day I, along with others, will see what I have said, according to Job 22:28 and Isaiah 57:19. I'm making my October outstanding because I have fears, but my fears don't have me. I also have faith, and my faith has me. As a matter of fact, I'm divorcing my fears and marrying my faith. Proverbs 10:24. This is why I declare October as outstanding. I'm standing out from the rest and striving by the grace of God to be my very best. Job 22:28. So dial the number briefly and listen to a breakthrough message, 717-275-3508. Again, 717-275-3508, and visit theinternetmentor.com, theinternetmentor.com for a powerful message. Contact me to have me speak for your group, your church, your business. God bless you. Make it a great day on purpose and by divine design. What time is it? It's breakthrough time.